job, cat. Feel like I'm always filming in this spot or whatever. I don't really have any other room to put my camera in, but in continuing with my desire to be a pink Sanrio girly, gym girly, I ordered some new athletic shorts from Alphalete. Let's hope their shorts fit a little better on me than their leggings. I ordered this like cute lavender shorts because I love lavender and they look nice. They look very short too. So please excuse the mess in my room. I haven't had time to clean it this week. I will this weekend, but this is what the shorts look like on me. They're literally so cute. I actually like the way they fit on me better than the leggings that I have, so I'm very happy with this. And there's no camel toe and it's not see-through, so there we go. I'm happy. I saw this really cute buff girl on TikTok wearing this shirt, so obviously I had to get it because it's literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh, it's perfect. I ordered the Kuromi and My Melody Valentine's Day shirt so I can wear it to the gym, and literally it's so perfect. Okay, quick little haul. I got more glass skin serum because I'm running out of that. And then I've always tried the other CC cream from It Cosmetics. I've never tried the illumination one, and it's the 21-day sale thingy going on at Ulta right now, so I got this for half off, so I'm excited to try this. And finally, new sports bra. Honestly, I haven't bought a new workout bra in a really long time, so I'm excited. And I need a good white one. This is cute. From Lululemon. Trilogy back in high school. I really loved it back then, but rereading it now as an adult, I really hate it because the characters are so poorly written and the plot is so convoluted and everything just kind of sucks, which kind of bums me out because I really did love it in high school. But yeah, I highly do not recommend. I'm slowly starting to get back into reading again. I kind of just stopped for a while because there was nothing really out there that caught my interest. But I ordered a couple books off of Amazon that I'm really excited for, so they should be arriving soon. I kind of want to go to Barnes & Noble and see if they have anything there as well. I'm just really tired of just being on my phone and my laptop all day, just mindlessly scrolling through social media and just watching stupid shit on YouTube. So I just it's been very calming and soothing these past few days. Instead of me just being on my phone for an hour before I go to sleep, I'll read a chapter or two before I go to bed, and it's been helping me sleep a little bit, and it's not ruining my cycle. So yeah, I'm excited to finally start getting back into reading again.